Welcome to my new vlog. Pupunta kami ngayon sa city center dahil nga may nakareceive ako ng message na kailangan ko na kunin yung ATM card ko kasi pa-expire na siya. So, follow us guys! At eto na guys, nakarating na kami sa city center. Pero bago kami pumasok, dito muna kami sa commercial bank. So ayan guys, nakuha ko na yung bagong card ko. So now okay na siya, ganito na siya. So with master card na po siya. Tara na city center, kain po tayo.
At dahil nag-crave ang lola nyo ng steak, pinabuti namin pumasok dito sa Outback Steakhouse. So welcome to Outback Steakhouse. Open na natin ang menu and please check out kung ano ang pwede nating orderin dito guys. So ayan, yung mga different cuts ng steak. Pili-pili na kayo dyan. Oops, medyo pricey siya ha, pero yummy. Katulad din siya ng TGIF Friday. At eto na nga, tinawag ko na si ate para ibigay namin yung aming order.
With fries?
How much with fries?
No, already included the fries.
Yeah, okay. One order for that. And then, this is your special?
Yeah. Outback is 6
Outback.
or 9?
Sorry?
6 or 9?
So which one is better?
6 on 84.
No, I want this 105 and the well.
Medium well.
Medium or medium?
Sizes.
Medium well.
Included the 2 sizes also.
Side, which one? Where is the side? This is included, right? So I want... Where's broccoli here? Okay, broccoli.
Any broccoli?
Yeah, broccoli and mashed potato. Need one more? Or just enough?
Half powder. I put it in it.
Don't have.
Chili sauce. Mushroom sauce. The sauce.
Do you have mushroom soup?
Yes.
Where? How much is the mushroom soup?
24 real.
Ano ka? Hindi. Mushroom soup ka? Two mushroom soup. And then 4 drinks.
Small or small or
How much is small?
90.
19 is more like that or the normal one?
See, I like maybe know the basket is it's not bad. How much? 24, right?
Sorry, mushroom sauce?
How much is it?
Mushroom soup, yes. The big one is 24, the small one is 14.
14.
So 24.
It's 140. Big one.
24. Yeah, 2 order for that.
How big is 24?
Small the cup.
How big is 24?
24 like a bowl.
Bowl? Dadalawin mo yung malaking bowl?
No, 40 cup. Yeah, okay. And then for what is your best drink?
Ice cream.
This is the very best.
You have ice cream. The bottomless ice cream. You can share, right? How much?
93.
14. 14. Okay, so we can share for the bottomless. Make it cold. Thank you.
Can I repeat your order? I want ice tea, fish and chips with fries in our back special line on medium well with broccoli and mashed potato and one soup.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
So while waiting for our order guys, flex ko lang ang napakagandang ceiling nila. You know? While they are preparing our order, binigyan na nila ang mainit-init na fresh, newly baked na pandesal or tinapay with butter. Yan po yung in-order ko rin na iced tea. Bottomless din po yan, guys. At sinerve na ang aming cream of mushroom soup. Napaka-creamy and sobrang yummy yan, guys. Hindi nawawala yan sa mga order list namin tuwing na-visit kami sa mga steakhouse. So, ayan, guys. Naubos na yung isang pandesal and it's so yummy. And may butter pag natira. So, we requested another pandesal. Napaka-yummy niya. And at the same time, ubos na rin yung mushroom soup namin. Na yung another request namin na tinapay with bagong refill na butter. At eto na nga, dumating na yung main order namin which is steak as you can see with mashed potato and broccoli. Tapos sa kanya naman fish and chips. So paano na yan guys? Busog-lusog na kami sa dalawang pandesal na una nilang binigay. Humirit pa kasi kami. So sa puntong yan, tapos na kaming kumain. Kita nyo naman, hindi naubos yung mga in-order namin. So ang steak ko dyan is medium rare, hindi naubos kasi busog na rin ako. Nagawa nga ng pandesal at saka kakainom ng iced tea. So sa kanya din naman, ganun din. Di rin siya nasiyahan sa fish and chips niya. So kung ikukumpara ko yan sa other steakhouse, gaya ng TGI Friday, mas masarap ng dihamag doon. Ang broccoli nila dyan is overcooked. Ang mashed potato nila is walang lasa. And kung i-rate ko yan is 2/5. Kaya hindi na rin namin pinabalot yung mga natira namin. Hanggang sa sunod na video guys. Maraming salamat. Bye!